So today we're with Dylan's XJ one more time, and we'll be going over the best budget lift for an XJ. So budget in my book is going to be under $750. So this lift is right at that $750 mark. But for the money, you're getting an amazing lift. This lift can pretty much do whatever you're going to want to do on, let's say, greens and some blue trails. It's not going to go rock crawling or do anything too crazy, but it's a quality lift. So this thing is sitting on a 4.5-inch lift with some, I believe, 31-inch tires. So let's go ahead and get into the details. So this specific XJ is sitting on a 4.5-inch zone off-road lift. Now, I do actually have some experience with zone off-road. I ran them on my WJ for a while. I actually still have their lift on there. It will be getting replaced soon. But these lifts actually hold up very, very well for the price point. This one comes in at just around $750. I saw them from $733 to like $770. So it's like right there on the mark of a very, very, very good budget lift. So in my books, a good lift will come with most of the parts you're going to need to get the Jeep set up with it. There's a ton of like very, very cheap lifts out there, but they don't come with nearly what you need to properly set your Jeep up. So let's go over some of the things that's included in the $750 that you get by buying a zone off-road lift. So for starters, you get the rear leaf springs and like relocation brackets for the leaf spring mounts. Now these are needed for the back suspension to get you a little bit more clearance. Then you also come with the shocks in the back, which is a huge plus because honestly, shocks, if you get a very, very good set, are going to be like $750 a piece. So you can get a whole lift for that for a budget build, and it holds up very, very well. Now, as far as the front goes, you get the lower control arm, you get the coils for the 4.5-inch lift, you get the shocks, you also get the sway bar extensions. So there's silver bars right there that extend the sway bar down. So you can run quick disconnects, and it just sets it up for the correct height of when you have the 4.5-inch lift. One thing I forgot to mention in the back was it does come with new U-bolts for attaching the axle and the leaf spring. So that's always nice. And it actually comes with all new hardware for everything you need. So in my books, for $750, that's an extremely good deal. I'll insert some photos and see if I can find any videos of this specific Jeep off-roading. I know we took them off-roading quite a bit when we were younger, so we should have some kind of content somewhere about that. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed those videos. Just some XJ content to get on the channel while we're waiting on parts for my Jeep. Huge shout out to Dylan for letting me use his Jeep for some videos. I will link his channel down below in the description. He's got some pretty cool content coming out. His channel is going to be more like how-to videos and stuff like that, and just Jeep information videos. So like less like my videos, so it's a good change. He's got a pretty cool channel, so he'll be linked down below in the description. But comment down below any video ideas you guys would like to see with the XJ. We can pretty much do whatever you want with it. So as always guys, if you enjoyed the video, make sure you guys go ahead and hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.